Things are good.
Always remember to express your puppy's bladder before any exercise routine. You don't want any mistakes to happen. The exercise routine is done about 3 or 4 times a day. That
Yeah.
we wanted her to be even with her spine and her legs coming down. Now we're gonna stay there, move her legs. Of course, we're gonna do this better on the side, but I wanted to get her back to be even so she could start putting a little weight on her paws.
Wait for Lou.
Ready? You can start recording.
14 to 14. It's time we could have a perfect game. Robin.
That failed.
I think tall tails.
She moved her leg up herself.
These things that
Okay. After 2 weeks, we were able to move her to this. Babies R Us, collapsible. This is approximately 2.5 weeks after surgery. At this point, we're trying to get her to get balance and to be able to stand up a little bit more on her own. She still needs assistance with this at this point. We need to lift her to the standing position and then help her to balance herself.
Staying up a long time.
Here it is very dark, but you'll see a little bit more. She does stand for about 45 seconds without assistance. We still start her off by standing her up. At this stage, 4 weeks post-surgery, she is getting a little more strength and trying to move her legs and trying to lift herself up. We call this her knee walking stage. But she's doing very good at it at this point, getting more strength.
What's up? I'm walking around here or what? Stop dragging those feet.
Improvements coming every day. We're surprised all the time. With this collapsible pen, we are able to bring her with us to relatives for Thanksgiving. Okay, this is the morning. She's going to hear something in the front yard, and she's going to walk towards the fence and lift herself right up. She's standing. Then she's going to turn around and wobbly, standing up and taking steps, going down, then getting up right again and take more steps. She's walking. Wobbly, but walking. This is 5 weeks today, post-operation. This video is taken off our security camera, so it is a little bit grainy. Now expressing her bladder. Expressing, you gently go underneath the front ribs and apply some pressure and slide towards the back. You'll see her tail go up and she is doing her business. Pumpkin is at a point where she likes standing up. She is applying her pressure to stand up and tries to balance herself. She might take a few wobbly steps, go down, then she gets right back up again. She's trying to fix herself. Yesterday was 5 weeks post-operation. So you give them a little space, a little time. We have to pick up now a bigger pin so she could be out a little bit more. That's Bambi in the background, her brother. Okay, this will be the last recording until she's finally totally walking. But as you can see, she's doing a lot more of this, and she's only getting better. Yes, 5.5 weeks since her operation. And when she goes in the house here, she starts to walk in the house around a little bit too. So this will be the last recording until she is totally walking again.